this video, I'll show you 4 of the easiest and most effective in-game methods to get diamonds or gems in Baseball 9. So if you've been playing on Android or iOS, you already know how important gems are. They help you unlock jerseys, upgrade players, and more. The good news? You don't need any hacks or outside apps. These tricks are completely safe and built into the game. The first method is through the free gems option. On the left side of the screen, tap free gems, then choose to watch an ad. After watching a short 30 to 45 seconds video, you'll receive 10 free gems. This option refreshes every 2 hours, so you can easily collect 50 to 60 gems per day by watching a few ads throughout the day. The second method is through daily missions. Tap on missions from the left menu and complete simple tasks like hitting 5 home runs or winning 3 matches. Each task gives you 1 to 3 gems and they reset daily, making this a consistent source of free gems over time. Third, under the missions tab again, tap achievements. This section includes long-term goals like winning 10 matches, which rewards you 30 gems, or advancing through league levels like Champion or World League. Completing these achievements gives larger gem rewards and adds up quickly the more you play. Lastly, go back to the free gems section and select more gems. Here, you will see a list of small tasks or quizzes from third-party apps or sites. The more difficult the task, the more gems you earn. But many are super simple. For example, completing a short quiz can earn you 12 gems instantly. Just tap earn, follow the instructions, and collect your reward. So these 4 tricks are all safe, quick, and can help you build up gems without spending any money. Try them out and enjoy the game with more upgrades and unlocks.